On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the best strategies that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that you can use it even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using Teespring. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Teespring. Once you search for it, you can be able to create a free account which you can use to promote affiliate products and then earn a commission anytime you get a sale. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is my dashboard. What you need to do is that you have to find a product that you can promote. To find a product, click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, a whole lot of different products are going to be displayed which you can promote to earn affiliate commission. As I scroll down, you can see this is a product and there are many others that you can promote to make money from home. The best part is that most of the products on Teespring, the commission rate is very high. So even if you get 2 sales per day, you can be earning more than $200 without investing anything. There are many offers on this platform. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see them. They are even into categories. So if you want a specific category of products, you can select it and then get offers that are available in that specific category. So if you are interested in physical products, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, you can see they have skincare, they have food supplements, and the food supplements, there are about 170 different products that you can promote to earn money from home. They also have services that you can promote. They have events and seminars that you can promote. They have digital products. So when I click on it, you can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see under business and investment, there are about 150 available products that you can promote to make money from home. So let me click on it for you to see. Once you click on it, you will see that products under business and investment category are going to be displayed. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning $516.16 per every sale that you get. So assuming you are able to get up to 2 sales per day, you can be making more than $1,000. You can see it right here. If you are able to get up to 3 sales per day, you can be making up to $1,500 plus. So there are many of them. If you scroll, you can see another product right here. You are going to be earning $371.32. There are many of them. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the one that you want. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $833.47 per every sale that you get. So assuming you are able to get 3 sales per day, that is a lot of money. You can see it right here. There are many of them. So any of the offers that you want, you can select it to promote. There are many of them. You can see a whole lot of them. So select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. In this case, I have a specific product that I've been promoting. So I'm going to show you so that you can see how I will promote it. You don't have to promote the same product that I'm promoting. You can find a different product and then promote it. So let me show you the product that I've been promoting. Let me show you. You can see it right here. This is the product that I've been promoting, and it's one of the best that you can promote because it has a good cart conversion rate and the commission rate is also good. You can see $130.67 per every sale that you get. So if you are able to get 2 sales per day, you can be making more than $260. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the product so that you can be able to promote it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to see the landing page of the product. So if you are new, you have to click right here, sales page, so that you can see what the product is about. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. This is the landing page of the product. When you scroll down, you see many other details of the product. You can see a whole lot of different details of the product. You can see the ingredients, you can see the bonuses, you can see different testimonials, and a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting the product since you have gotten some basic information about it. To promote the product, you need an affiliate link. An affiliate link is a unique link that you have to get people to purchase the product through that link so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. To get your affiliate link, click right here, promote now. Once you click on promote now, you're going to see a page like this. Click on copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, your affiliate link has been copied onto your clipboard, so you have to promote it so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. There are several ways that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can use paid traffic source. You can use free traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one of the high quality free traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate link without investing anything. The website that we're going to be using today is the Free Ad Forum. The Free Ad Forum is one of the best places that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. It is a popular website that people list their items for sale. You can see ads as code. These are all ads that people have listed onto the platform. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different ads that people have listed onto the platform. So what you have to do is that you have to also paste your ad so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. You can see these ads were posted today. You can see the date. They were posted today. So you have to also post your ad. Once you post it, you can be getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. And once you get the traffic, most of the people are going to purchase the product for you to make money. To post an ad, you need to create an account. To create an account, you have to click right here, registration. Once you click on it, you can be able to register for a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish your ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to select the category of the ad that you want to post. The product that you are promoting is a dental product. It helps people to maintain healthy teeth and gums. So what you have to do is that you have to search for the health category. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different categories. Select for sale. Once you select for sale, click on select subcategory. Once that is done, select health beauty. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to write an ad title and a description. What I usually do is that I use ChatGPT to write it for me. That is the easiest way that you can get a nice title and a description. I've already written a description on ChatGPT. You can see it right here. This is the prompt that you have to write. Write a compelling ad description for ProDentim supplement. Just give a prompt like this. Once that is done, click on send and ChatGPT will write a nice description for you. As you can see, this is my description. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy the title of your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description. So you have to come back on ChatGPT, highlight and copy the description that it has written for you. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Let's delete this. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have pasted your description, you have to insert your affiliate link. You can see there is a call to action right here. Order now and take the first step towards optimal dental health. So that is a call to action. What you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link in this text. So come back on Digits 224, click on copy promo link. Once you copy it, we are going to come back. Once you come back, highlight the call to action. Once you highlight it, there's an icon here. You can see this icon right here. Insert edit link. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, the next step is that you have to click right here, insert. Once you click on it, you can see your affiliate link has been inserted. You can see it right here. So when the visitors see the ad, they can click on this link to make a purchase for you to make money. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see upload images. So you have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. The easiest way to get images of the product is to come on Google and then search for the name of the product so that you can find image. So let's search for ProDentim images. Once you search for it, it is going to display like this. Click on images. Once you click on images, you are going to see a page like this. Scroll down and then select any of these images that you want. Just select the one that you want. In this case, I want this image. To download it, right click on it. Once you right click on it, you can see save image as. Click on it. so that you can be able to save the image and then use it on your ad. Once you click on save image, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once that is done, you can download another image. So right click on the image that you want to download, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to come back on your ad. Click right here to upload your images. Once you upload the image, the next step is that you have to scroll down so that you can select the location. You can see the country right here. You have to target a specific country. So click on it and then select any country that you want. You can see you can select Australia, Canada, France, Germany, and the rest. So any country that you want, you can target it. In this case, we are going to leave it with the United States. Once that is done, you have to select a region. So select a state in the United States. So let's select any of the states. Let's select California. Once that is done, you have to select a city. Just select any city that you want. Once that is done, you can enter the area and address. So if you want, you can enter those stuffs. Once that is done, you can see, please visit our site. So this is where you have to also paste your affiliate link. You can go back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your promo link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to enter some keywords here so that your ad can be ranked high. So let's enter something like healthy, something like this. Once that is done, you can enter dental care. Once that is done, you can enter the name of the product, ProDentim. You can enter as many keywords as you want. Once you enter your keywords, the next step is that you have to enter your phone number if you like. You can also enter your Facebook handle right here. Once that is done, you can see post your ad to thousands automatically. Just ignore all of these portions, ignore them and then scroll down. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see they have premium features that you can upgrade, but in this case, you are not going to upgrade to any of them, so just leave it. Once you leave it, when you scroll down, you can see right here, they have already selected an option for you, which you are required to pay $20, but in this case, you don't want to pay for anything, so all that you need to do is that you have to come right here, select it. No thanks, I do not want extra exposure for my ad right now. Select that option. When you select that option, it means you are not going to be paying for anything, but if you select the rest, you have to make a payment. In this case, you don't need to pay for anything, so just leave it like this and then click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you can see congratulations, your ad has successfully posted. Your ad has been posted onto the platform. This is free traffic, you don't need to pay for anything. So if you want to view your ad, you can click on this option right here. Visit here to view the ad you just posted. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to see the ad that you posted onto the platform. You can see this is your ad. You can see the images. When you scroll down, you can see the details in your ad. You can see this is your call to action. You can see everything. You can see the city that you selected. You can see this is your affiliate link. You can see it right here. So your affiliate link is at the description and it is also at the bottom of the ad. You can see it right here. So many people are going to see your ad. Once they see it, they can click right here or they can click here to purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. The name of the website is the freeadforum.com. So search for it, go and take action so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.